just heading down to do a little bit of much needed maintenance on the shelter. Take it for what it is. It's a shelter, not necessarily bushcraft. There is some bushcraft involved, but it's a shelter in the bush. So I got to change the tarps on top. They're all ripped. So yeah, this is my shelter. Yeah, see, the tarp is all falling apart. I had to put this one little one on quickly because this bottom one was all ripped, and you can see where the top is all ripped. So I got to put a couple new tarps on. So I'm right near the highway here, my property, so it's fairly busy. So you might be hearing a lot of traffic. Not far away, but the wall needs to be fixed. These are all rotted out. Oh, this is the shelter. Got a nice stove here. That's got to all be replaced. Got a couple old chairs here now, sitting around. A bunch of them for sitting around the fire here. I'm also gonna have to gather up some more firewood. But anyways, gotta do some tarp repair, some cleanup. We're starting to lean, so I had to put this is the only piece I had, so I stuck that against the side. You can see it's minus 5 Celsius right now. It was minus 10 earlier. Well, the ground is getting pretty frozen, so I don't know if I'll be able to fix that wall at the moment, but put some tarps on, and then at least it'll keep the snow in if it rains anymore. I doubt it will. It's getting cold. We're halfway into November now, so no snow yet, but it might be coming. So I'm gonna go pick up some SD cards from our trail cam down the trail further. That's not a good sign. Alright, well I guess that one's coming back with me. Alright, let's see how this one did. The batteries are dead on it. Frozen in there. Come on, baby. We had some rain the other day, so it hasn't thawed out. If the gloves make a difference. Oh my God. There we go. Jeez. Oh. All the foam, my packing I put in there froze on there. This is the Browning Dark Ops, the newest one. New to us. So let's see, is this one gonna... Yeah, battery's still good on this one at least. We'll go see what we got on them. Alright, looks like we've got a few on here. Got Coyote. Got a Fox. Oh, we got me. And the Coyote's back again. And that camera recorded till October 30th. And then the batteries died. Well, we got a few on the other camera too. I think most of them are of me though. Yep. Oh, we got a bunny. I think those are all of me. Yep. Coyote. Looks like it's trying to snow. I think that's it. The rest are me. Alright, I'm back at the shelter there. Had to go get some matches, so figured we'd check out the SD cards. See little animals. Big animals, it seems they're all gone. Wow. Stuff's all frozen on top. So there's about 2 inches of pine needles and boughs up there that are frozen to the frozen to the tarp, and the tarp's all falling apart, so it's going to be insulation. Gonna put the new tarp right over top of it. Can't seem to get the fire going. That rain the other day wet everything. I might not even need the second one down the back since I already have a new one there, shorter one. Alright, the new tarp is on, about as good as it's gonna get. Should have got a 12-foot wide one, but it's on, and it actually covered almost all the way down to the end. So little gaps up there to let some smoke out from the stove. Yep. Nothing like a nice solid fire to make it nice in the bush. I just cleared all the dead branches from down here so I can at least walk through there without getting branches in the head. Can walk around it. She's roasty now. I got the door open so you can't, doesn't really keep any heat in, but you can feel the heat pretty good. Warmed up. New tarp. Protecting. I gotta cut a little bit of that old tarp off, I think. Alright, that's a little better. It's a little straighter. Still tilts a bit, but this whole thing's going to need some major upgrades next spring, I think. So I think it'll survive the winter now, and I'll be able to use it. So, like I said, not 100% bushcraft, but it's a little shelter in the bush. So, working on it a bit today. Something to video. Thanks for watching.